Need to update your Amazon Fire TV Cube or getting the latest feature, performance improvements, and bug fixes? So here I'm gonna show you how to check for software updates and install the latest FireOS version. So first you have to go to your home screen of the Fire TV Cube, then navigate all the way to the settings tab, and from here select My Fire TV. Now choose About at the top of the menu. Next, scroll down and select Check for Updates or Install Update. Whatever you see, just go for it. Now from here, if a new software update is available, you will see a message on your screen saying that an update is available. Just simply select Install Update and your TV will begin updating automatically. So you just have to keep patience until the update is complete. You might need to update your TV several times as new updates may appear again after each installation. So keep checking for updates and update your TV regularly. It's always a good idea to keep automatic updates for getting the latest feature on your TV. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till then.